Missed by a whisker. Understanding this English phrase. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we make English language learning fun and easy for you. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard but not fully understood. Missed by a whisker. This expression is colorful, vivid, and packed with meaning. Stay tuned as we unravel its origins, meaning, and how you can use it in everyday conversations. Missed by a whisker is a phrase that paints a vivid picture. Imagine a cat whisker, which is very thin and fine. Now, imagine something being so close to hitting its target that it only misses by the width of a cat's whisker. That's how close we're talking about. In essence, the phrase means to miss something by a very narrow margin or to almost achieve something. It's often used to describe situations where success or failure hangs by a thread. The expression, missed by a whisker, comes from the world of sports and competitions, where outcomes can be decided by the smallest distances. Over time, it has been adopted into everyday language to describe any situation where something is narrowly missed or achieved. The imagery of a whisker helps emphasize just how close the situation was, adding drama and suspense to the story. Now that you know what it means, let's talk about how to use missed by a whisker in your conversations. This phrase is perfect for situations where you want to highlight the closeness of an event or outcome. For example, describing a near miss, I missed the train by a whisker this morning. I could literally see the doors closing as I reached the platform. Talking about sports, our team won the match, but it was so close. The other team missed the winning goal by a whisker. In business or exams, I missed getting the promotion by a whisker. There was only 1 point difference in our evaluations. Missed by a whisker isn't just used in everyday language. It's also found in literature and media. Authors and scriptwriters use this phrase to add tension and excitement to their stories. Pay attention to movies, books, and articles, and see if you can spot this expression in use. It's a great way to see how versatile and effective English idioms can be in storytelling. And that's a wrap on Missed by a Whisker. We hope this video has shed light on this intriguing phrase and how you can use it to spice up your English conversations. Remember, learning idioms and expressions is key to sounding like a native speaker and understanding the nuances of the English language. Don't forget to practice, and soon, you'll be using missed by a whisker like a pro. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.